Hi guys, and welcome back. I'm back with another crypto update. If you're not aware, the stock market and cryptocurrency in particular are on fire. And if you didn't know that, it's because you're not invested. But that's okay. I'm not here to judge. I'm actually here to help. So I found this chart here on Coinmetrics, and I just selected the 3 cryptocurrencies that I wanted to take a look at. First one is in red, that's Bitcoin. Obviously, as you can see, about 10 years ago, it came in well under $1. And then next to join the party was Litecoin, followed and surpassed by Ethereum. These are the 3 heavy hitters that have been in the game the longest. And as you can see, Bitcoin yet again for another day has hit an all-time high, topping $40,000 just today. Now, these next 3 are just examples of what altcoins can do. Here is Bitcoin Cash, late to hit the scene, but surpassed Litecoin. Next here is Wrapped Bitcoin, pretty new to the game and came out of nowhere and actually is holding quite neck and neck with the original Bitcoin. I'm not saying this is a suggested one to invest in, merely a comparison. Next is Yearn Finance. Again, not a suggestion, just to show you what an altcoin can do in just a few years. Another one that came out of nowhere and has hit, as you can see there, I believe that says over $37,000 just in the last day. So if you now believe cryptocurrency may be something you'd like to invest in, keep listening. Well, Coinbase is where you can purchase cryptocurrency. I will show you what Coinbase looks like. It is this little one, the little C right here. That is Coinbase. We're gonna click on that. And my goodness, if you're not aware, the cryptocurrency is going bananas. And it's not just Bitcoin. There are so many other ones that are through the roof right now. And again, this is, I don't know how many days in a row now, but again, Bitcoin has hit record highs. So why not get invested, right? I mean, if it's free, why not? So first one will be Coinbase after you do the Chime. The next one you want to do is, I'll do Cash App. Cash App is a great tool and you can do stocks as well as crypto. So once you get into your Cash App, you're gonna select that and you can do stocks, see? Or you can do crypto. I believe it's just Bitcoin in there at the moment, but they may be potentially adding additional cryptocurrencies. If you have Cash App, then you know what I'm talking about. If you don't have Cash App, that is okay as well. I'm going to show you what to do with it. When you get your Cash App card, it's going to come with this boost. You click down here and you can change your boost from whatever, but the current boost that they're offering is earn 5% worth of Bitcoin on 3 purchases. This is a great tool to earn money for your investments while you're already spending on things that you need anyway, right? So it's just thoughtless investing. It's gonna happen anyway, and you might as well put some money back into your pocket if you're gonna be spending, right? So with that said, that's Cash App. But the next one that has kind of a similar trend to it is Stash. I love Stash, and I'm going to show you why. Stash is this little one right here. And the wonderful thing about Stash is you too also get a debit card. But with the debit card, when it arrives, you can select within the app. So here's my debit card, and I get what's called stock back. Can you see it says stock rewards right here? It's kind of fuzzy, I'm not sure why. Oh, there we go. Stock rewards. So the wonderful thing about stock back is every time you swipe your card, say you go to Target, you swipe your card, you are going to get a percentage of your purchase back in Target stock. That way, it's basically like voting with your money. Literally, you take your card and you shop at the place that you already like to shop, you already enjoy and believe in those brands and that product, then at least you might as well be getting some stock in that company, right? It only makes sense. So that is one perk I love about Stash, is you can turn on your stock back rewards, and then you can turn on your roundups. So you just get that little extra. So if it's close to $1, they'll just round up to the next dollar. So what would be like a 4 or 5 cent stock back turns into $1 stock back. So it's a wonderful tool. I love it personally, as well as it has a custodial account. So you can also put money away in your Stash account weekly or monthly, whatever suits you whenever you can, but you can put it away in a custodial account for your children, tucking away, you know, $5 to $10 from every paycheck for each kid. That way when they turn 18, they'll be like, thank you, Mom, thank you, Dad, for thinking of me. They will be so appreciative, as well as they have a retirement account. So not only can you put to your own personal, you can also put to your children and your retirement, all in the same app. And that one is Stash. I'll leave that one below. When you sign up with my link, you will get an additional $20 on top of whatever you invest to go ahead and begin investing with Stash. And then the next one is you'll want to follow Webull. Webull is a great tool, and right now they're offering an amazing promo offer. There's Webull. Follow my Webull link, invest $100, and you will get 4 free stocks. And those 4 free stocks could equal as much as $3,700 if you hit the maximum on all of them. And then the next one I'm going to show you is Robinhood. Robinhood is also a great tool. Oh, I'll show you what it looks like. Robinhood, it's this little feather right here. You're gonna click on that. The thing I like about Robinhood is you can use margin. What is margin? Well, margin is they basically allow you to use their money to invest with a minimum of $2,000 invested. So if you put $2,000 in your Robinhood account, they will match that, potentially even do more than that. It depends on the time you've been with them and the reputability of maintaining your account in a positive standing balance. That will determine how much they give you, but once you have $2,000 deposited, they'll begin to add margin. So if you select Robinhood Gold, once you put $2,000 in, you can go ahead and use their margin and use that towards your investments. The only thing with that is make sure you do low volatility stocks if you do use their margin. That way you'll ensure that you get the most margin offered by them. Your low volatility makes them want to give you more, a little bit more money to play with. And then secondly, low volatility stocks will keep you from going into margin call, which I'll explain that in another video more in depth. But what that is basically, if you dip below your $2,000 initial investment that they matched, if you dip below that, then you'll be in what's called a margin call. They're gonna want their money back. So maintaining low volatility stocks will help reduce the risk of that happening. So did I give you all of them? Did I give you, oh, and last one, I guess we'll throw in Acorns, why not? Acorns is this cute little acorn. I don't know if you can see it. Little acorn right here. We're gonna click on Acorns. So with Acorns, it's a wonderful tool because they also kind of do the same thing as Stash, and they round up your purchases used with a linked debit card to your account and give you stock in those companies. So not even knowingly, just throughout the year of purchases, I already have like $270 in stocks in my Acorns, and I've put zero money to my Acorns account. It's literally all from debit swipes. So these are all amazing tools, all ways to get you started investing thoughtlessly, where you're gonna be spending the money anyway. You might as well get stock in those companies. It's a no-brainer. You don't even have to think about, where am I gonna purchase some stocks for today? It just happens with every swipe. So if you love this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. If you love my shirt, leave a comment down below and I will give you a link of how to get one. And if you love our content, make sure to hit that notification bell and subscribe so you can get all the videos to come, and leave us a comment of what you'd like to see more of. Thanks so much for watching and happy investing.